Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will do a movement which is called reverse vertical figure 8. The names are getting longer and longer. Anyway, it will be exactly like in the case of our horizontal 8s. One was standard, let's say, the other one was reverse, and last time we did the standard vertical figure 8, and today we will do a reverse one. If you haven't seen the standard 8, so you can go to this link up here and you will be thrown at the instructional video with a horizontal, not horizontal, vertical. I'm mixing directions today. Vertical figure 8, the basic one, and today we will try to do the reverse one. So with no further ado, let's start with our proper body posture. So feet parallel, knees are slightly bent, pelvis is a little bit tucked in, open chest, nice stretch in the belly, and we start with moving our body weight to right leg. Of course, you can start it from the left leg, but now we will start with the right one. And now I have my hips in this diagonal position, so right hip is up and left hip is down. And we will start with moving our hips and body weight from point to point. So in this diagonal position, I can slide my hips out. So you can think either with your right hip or left hip. You can think that your right hip is pulled into your body, or you can think that your left hip is pushed outside of your body, whatever is more comfortable for you. But you slide and then change body weight. And once again, slide to the other side, still in this diagonal position, and then change body weight. And slide and change. And slide and change. And slide and change, and slide and change. And now I want to draw a nice line between those points. So the main rule stays the same. I slide and change, but I try to make it more round so it will actually look like an 8. So I slide and then draw half of my 8, and then once again slide and draw the other half. Slide, draw, slide, draw, slide, draw, and slide, draw. And I've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And this is how it looks like. So you see that in reverse we're drawing the figure 8 from down to up, and last time we did this from up to down. So now we will try to do both of them so that the difference between them will be really visible for you. So let's start with this video's vertical figure 8. So we start with our left hip slide outside. So I've got slide and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I stop and I'm doing the standard basic vertical figure 8. So now I'm working downwards. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop and reverse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and reverse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and reverse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and reverse, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you see that I'm either working up or down, but the figure stays the same. I'm drawing it on the wall. And once again, the same as with the standard horizontal, vertical. You see, I'm mixing directions all the time. Vertical figure 8. You can see that some teachers do it like this, with your heels up, working with your toes and heels, but I prefer the one with the flat feet because it gives us more opportunity later when we want to mix some movements and we want to do more stuff at the same time with our body. So all the things you need in this 8 are in your knees, in your body weight. All the space is here. The knees are working all the time. They are helping you to do it properly. So you don't have to put your heels up, and you can do the reverse vertical figure 8 with flat feet, with nice isolations. Remember about the pelvis. Remember about keeping your upper body isolated, and you go up and 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 up. And this is how you do a reverse vertical figure 8. So if you like this video, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button in order not to miss new videos on my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or doubts, leave a comment below this video and I will try to explain more about each movement. And if you are interested in more advanced content, for example, more advanced combos, if you want to gather information about history, culture, language, psychology, and other stuff, oriental dance related, I invite you to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course, here on my YouTube channel. And I hope to see you here next week for the new video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!